Found a couple cool new products on Amazon. Let's see what I got. So this is a Boker Plus Bill and Ted operation. So first of all, there's something unique over here, like a sliding lock D2 blade knife right here. Beautiful. And liner lock. And what's here? Just a utility blade. Just push it forward. Just with a light push. If I try to push it this way, it will not open. I'll have to push it a little bit and it will open. Push it, flip it over. So very easy. Like I'll have to push harder to replace it. And then lock it in. Locked in. That's it. Nice clip right here. Is it replaceable? Nope. One side clip, but removable clip. Beautiful. Let's see if I can flick it out good. So very smooth knife. All I have to do is just flick it good and it will open all the way. D2 blade. Love it. So knife, utility knife. So smart. I really like that design a lot. So one of a kind, and also it's really thick, really good for my hand, but at the same time shorty, so it's perfect for everyday carry. And I love how thick the blade is right here. Beautiful. And it's under $100, so very affordable and nothing collectible, so this is totally a work knife. Okay, also Boker Plus have come out with this tool pen block. It's very unique. I've never seen anything like that. I've seen a lot of bolt action pens and so on. So there's a swivel right here, and then there's bolt action, but it actually looks like a pen, but it is a star bit. It's removable. Flip it over, a little bigger. So obviously can put a different star bits. Then I can use it on this side. Flip it over, replace it, put one over here instead. That's it. Very cool. And screw it back on. It's like an extra one in case I need a smaller one. I love how easy it is to put it away. All I have to do is just push it in. I never seen a screwdriver pen like that before with the bolt action idea. What a simple idea, but make it so much cooler now. And for those people who haven't seen Winter Warrior by Boker Plus, also this is a new addition in Blade HQ exclusive. So there's right here Blade HQ. So automatic Kalashnikov 74. This is right here the 74 AK-47 style, but it looks like a bun with a winner, no sharp edge here, and of course mustard. It kicks. Love it. So they got 3 new Boker Plus gadgets that they have come out with recently. Don't miss out, because this one is completely sold out. They probably will come out with more, but who knows when.